If you're looking for an affordable electric dirt bike with serious power, the KOOZ HP131E-L might be worth a look. I've been checking out the specs and rider feedback, and honestly, this bike packs a surprising amount of performance for the price. It comes with a 72-volt, 8,000-watt motor and can reach speeds of up to 56 miles per hour, which is impressive for an electric dirt bike in this category. It also features a 72V35AH lithium battery, hydraulic suspension, and front and rear disc brakes for better control and stopping power. What really stands out is the value. Riders frequently mention the strong acceleration and torque, especially considering its sub-$3,000 price point. Some even compare it favorably to more expensive electric dirt bikes. That said, it's not perfect. A few users have noted that the rear suspension could be better, especially for heavier riders tackling rough terrain. So, is the KOOZ HP131E-L worth your money? If you want a fast, powerful electric dirt bike without spending a fortune, it's definitely a strong contender. Just be prepared for a few compromises in the suspension department. Overall, it's a lot of bike for the money.